Good day, everybody. So this is the recorded lesson regarding our topic tomorrow. So this defragmentation. Fragmentation makes your hard disk do extra works that can also down your computer. Removable storage devices such as USB, flash drives can also become fragmented. So this defragmenter rearranges fragmented data so your disk drives can work more efficiency. Defragmentation reduces the amount of fragmented fiction a hard drive. It recognizes related data files and put them into the same physical location. For example, the video. So, yung mga file ng video, pinagsama-sama niya lahat ng mga file. Yung defragmentation para hindi sila magkakahiwalay. Mga Microsoft Word, mga file na mga apps, application, yan. So pinagsama-sama niya para hindi siya magulo. And next, this defragmentation runs on a schedule, but you can also analyze and defragment your disk and drive manually. When you store data into the hard disk, the data will normally occupy the disk in continuous manner if there is sufficient data space on disk. So, ayan dito, kapag meron siyang available na space, dito natin ilalagay lahat yung ating mga files. So, your hard disk progressively becomes fragmented after excessive usage of writing, deleting, and storing of data in your disk. So, kapag puno na ang ating disk, kailangan na nating tanggalin yung mga hindi na kailangan para ma-fix yung mga file na ipapasok natin at i-delete natin yung mga ibang hindi na kailangan. A file is typically broken into several small parts and stored in various areas on a hard disk. Besides improvement in the system performance, defragmentation also improve your data recovery yield in case your disk need to send in a for recovery process. So tumutulong din ito para sa ma-recovery yung mga files ninyo. To defrag your hard disk, follow this step. Number 1, open the disk defragment by clicking the Start button. In the search box, type disk defragmenter, and then in the list or result, click disk defragmenter. Number 2, under the current status, select the disk you want to defragment. Number 3, to determine if the disk needs to be defragmented or not, click Analyze Disk. If you are prompted an administrator password or confirmation, type the password or provided confirmation. Once window is finished analyzing the disk, you can check the percentage of fragmentation on the disk in the last run column. Number 4, click the fragment disk if you are prompted for the administrator password or provide confirmation. Cleaning Windows Registry. Registry is a system-defined database which is used by an operating system to store all the information needed to configure the Windows setting for one or more users, application, and hardware devices. So, cleaning Windows Registry. A registry, it might theoretically help shrink the size of the registry. So it is easy to make the computer perform faster. So tumutulong ito para maging maayos ang ating computer para mas mapabilis ang kanyang mga pagproseso. Why cleaning registry is important? So, when using the computer, users may have experience quite a number of problems relating to registry issues that may result in severe consequences, such error message pop up noticeably by slow performance of system, even system crash. It recommended that you should use add or remove programs feature to proceed. Start menu, control panel, add or remove programs. So, yan no. Yan yung proseso natin sa pag-cleaning ng registry. Basic and useful features that you must consider when choosing the registry cleaner software. Ability to scan for the whole computer system or invalid or pan registry. Ability to back up all the current registry in the system. Have no undo. Features to restore the cleaning action. Option on which to choose registry keys to be deleted. Online updating of software should be available. Next, organizing disk drive. What is disk drive? Partition. Partition creates a logical file structure on your hard disk to be used for different purposes, such as dual operating system, storage, or organizational purpose. For example, this is just another word for dividing when you partition an external and hard drive. You are splitting the drive into specific segmented part. So it is good to partition your drive. So partitioning your drive can also keep your data safer from malware attack. So nakakatulong ito para ma-save yung ating drive laban sa mga malicious software. Then next, why partition your disk? So partition your hard disk helps to categorize your files into logical groupings so that you can search for file and make change more effectively. So kinakategorize yung file, no? Sineseparate niya yung mga iba't ibang file dito. Para hindi masyadong magulo yung ating mga file. Next, security. C drive, the drive where operating system and most other software applications are installed in. So C drive, also known as your computer hard drive, and then it is the storing your computer operating system as well as the application. And then next, drive C will contain your operating system files and software applications such as your Microsoft Office suite, Adobe Acrobat, Antivirus, and Photoshop, etc. Then next, drive D, configured as a storage drive to store all your documents, files, JPEG, MP3, and other personal data. So D drive, it is used by many manufacturers to sense as the recovery disk. So nakakatulong ito para sa ating recovery disk, yung drive D. Convenience. Another reason for storing your documents files in separate drive is manageability. This will save you trying to back up your documents, then restoring backup in your local drive after your computer is reformatted and start working. Convenience is used to communication, planning, storing data, data collection, issue, and data processing. That's the use of the convenience. And then next, dual operating system. Install more than one operating system into your computer. By partitioning the disk, you separate two logical spaces to include its individual OS. It means to this can be a combination of operating system. Like for example, Windows and Mac, and then next Windows and Linux, and then next Windows 7, and then Windows 10. That is the example of dual operating system. So make one or more system use. Can I delete the registry by myself? No. It is easy to determine which registry belongs to which application. So mahirap i-delete. Hindi mo kayang i-delete yung registry sa isang sari dahil maraming mga application na naisasama dun. Kaya hindi pwedeng i-delete mo sa iyong sarili dahil siya ang tumitingin sa kung ano yung dapat na i-delete at ano ang dapat na kukunin. Yeah. How do I clean Windows registry? So, paano natin lilinisan yung Windows registry? So, sa pamamagitan ng mga application, mag-download tayo. Buy Windows registry other cleaner software available in the market, or download free trial package from the internet to try out before paying a full version. So, bago gumamit muna tayo ng free trial package na pwedeng maglinis sa ating registry para masigurado natin kung maayos ba yung ating gagamitin panglinis. So, okay, that's the end of the recorded lesson. Thank you for watching. God bless.